The blue whale is a mammal that is found in all oceans except the Arctic. It is known as an aquatic mammal because it lives underwater. Unlike fish, whales do not have gills and so use their lungs to breathe the oxygen in the air. This means they are often resurfaced, using their blowholes to exhale. Blue whales weigh up to 150,000 kilograms and measure up to 33 meters in length. This makes them the largest mammal ever to have lived on Earth, even bigger than the dinosaurs. Despite their enormous size, blue whales do not hunt other whales or fish, but feed mostly on krill. These are small, shrimp-like creatures that are only 6 centimetres long. Unlike other whale species, blue whales do not live in large groups. They are often found alone or in pairs.